The Supreme Court has delivered a significant blow to former President Donald Trump's efforts to remove Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook, affirming the central bank's critical independence from political interference. In a 5-4 decision, the nation's highest court rejected Trump's bid to oust Cook, thereby allowing her to remain on the Federal Reserve Board while her legal challenge against his firing attempt continues. This ruling underscores a long-standing principle guarding the Fed's autonomy, a question with profound implications for the limits of presidential power over one of the country's most influential economic institutions. The majority opinion, penned by Chief Justice John Roberts, distinguished the Federal Reserve's constitutional footing from other independent agencies, even as the court recently broadened presidential removal powers in a separate case involving the Federal Trade Commission, Trump versus Slaughter. This unique exception for the Fed highlights its crucial role in the nation's financial system and its ability to operate free from political pressure. For average Americans, this independence directly shapes key economic factors such as mortgage rates, job prospects, and the price of groceries, ensuring that monetary policy decisions are driven by economic evidence rather than short-term political agendas. The dispute originated in August 2025, when Trump announced his intention to fire Cook, alleging she had misrepresented information related to a trio of mortgage documents obtained before her appointment to the central bank. Cook, who firmly denied any wrongdoing and has not faced criminal charges, responded by filing a federal lawsuit to block her removal. A district court judge subsequently issued an injunction preventing Trump from firing her, a decision later upheld by a federal appeals court, leading to the Supreme Court's review. Cook, appointed by President Joe Biden in 2022, holds the distinction of being the first black woman to serve as a Federal Reserve governor. Following the ruling, Cook lauded the decision, stating it reaffirmed the Federal Reserve's independence, a principle she described as fundamental to sound economic stewardship. She pledged to continue making decisions guided by evidence and independent judgment, impervious to political influence. Conversely, Trump characterized the Supreme Court's decision as purely procedural and vowed to take appropriate action immediately, signaling his continued dissatisfaction. The case highlights ongoing concerns among critics that increased presidential control over the Fed could politicize interest rate decisions, potentially compromising the long-term health of the economy for short-term electoral gains.